How to fix Netflix, the device is not supported. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can fix this error. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is check for any updates on the Netflix app, because sometimes if you're running the older version of the app, this issue might occur. So what you can do is open up your Play Store and search for any updates. If there are not, if you don't find any updates, you can just try to uninstall the app and then reinstall it back again to update it to its latest version. Then the other thing you can do is check your device software update. You can do that by tapping on the settings icon and then scroll down until you find software update. And then from here, you click on download and install. Now it will check for updates on your device. So if it says the software is up to date, then you don't have to do anything. Now the next step is to check your device's internet connection. So what you need to do is, if you are using mobile data, try switching over to Wi-Fi, and if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data. After doing that, you should be good to go. Or if that doesn't work, then you may reach out to Netflix help and support team. So go to your web browser and then simply search for Netflix help and support. Now, once you search for it, just head over to Netflix Help Center and contact their support team. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.